THORN EMI linear sodium 140 watt tubular. A little quick look over the lamp. So we're gonna set it off in a minute. Absolutely fascinating lamps these are. The best low pressure sodium lamps ever made, I think. Fascinating lamps. And a little bit clearer, you can see the cathode a bit more. Plenty of sodium in the tube there, all the way along. Another look at that etch. That's the best etch on all three of them. Right, let's switch it on. And let's watch this lovely lamp fire up. Plenty of flicker in the arc tube there. Some lovely purple glow in between as well. These really do give off a really lovely colour, these lamps do. Really, really lovely. That flicker you see isn't the camera, that is the actual lamp flickering, like that. All 140 watt lamps seem to do that. I don't know why, but it does actually make it look really nice. There's more of a deep redder glow at that end, and there is that end more of a purple glow at this end. Really, really nice lamp. It's already starting to warm up in places. They warm up really quick, these lamps do. I did warm this up a bit earlier, probably about an hour ago, maybe. And then I warmed it up this morning as well, just to test them. As I say, that flicker is the actual lamp doing it, not the camera. The brighter the lamp gets, the less the flickering is. It does stop in the end. It's only when they're warming up. I do have the proper lantern for this as well. So it is upside down, but... And also the correct ballast I have as well. Thorn ballast for 1x 140 watt SLI or 1x 90 watt stocks. It's warming up quite rapidly. It's warming up quicker at the right hand end and slow at the left hand end. They always seem to do that, these. There must be more sodium at that end, I'm guessing. The arc tube flickering's still there, but it is starting to settle towards the right hand end. We are now 5 minutes and 30 seconds in. These really are a work of art, these lamps. If anyone does know why it is that these lamps flicker in the arc tube when they're warming up, leave a comment. The flickering has now largely stopped. It's a little bit down the right hand end, but it's stopped about 3/4 of the other length. It's starting to settle in quite nicely now. Seven minutes in. And I would say the lamp is probably 3/4 there. The flickering you see now is actually the camera. It's just started flickering again above the lantern's label. And it's settling down now again. It's amazing that these lamps still actually exist out there, although very rare, but they do come up occasionally. I'd say that's probably about full. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment if you wish.